Hey everybody, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. So, I'm going to talk about real estate investing. So, it's been in the media that office buildings are in trouble. So, why is this important? So, if you are in real estate or you're getting into real estate, it's important to decide which specific sector to get in, like which sector would provide the most stability. And so, right now, big, huge office buildings are in trouble. Why? Well, because of what happened with COVID, where no one was there actually. And then also with the high inflation rates, people are having difficulty paying back their loans, also not being able to refinance because the loan is coming due and they usually refinance out of it, but with the high inflation rate, when you refinance, you're going to be a higher rate than you were previously because the inflation rates are higher. The mortgage rates are higher. So they are having difficulty repaying and they're having difficulty refinancing because of the higher interest rates. So they're looking in particularly at Blackstone. And so Blackstone is a big name in the real estate industry. This is a real estate investing firm, and they are considered one of the giants of real estate. So, one of the giants of real estate, being Blackstone, is in trouble in spite of the fact that it is a giant. So, people are having troubled loans. They are noticing rising delinquencies. They are noticed that office buildings are having trouble in different areas, but particularly San Francisco. The actual value, the office value in San Francisco has decreased to 60 to 70%. So they're looking at San Francisco for some reason. They notice that the office values are decreasing there in that area. So the delinquency rates are 4%, 0.7% 6 months ago. So they're looking at Blackstone again, who is the real estate firm, who is one of the giants in the real estate industry. You think of Blackstone. So Blackstone, they own several different huge office buildings. They own Las Vegas Office Park. They own Midtown Manhattan Office Tower. They own Club Quarter Hotels, which is located in Chicago, Boston, Philadelphia, and San Francisco. So they own a lot of things, and those are just a few that I mentioned. So, as far as the Las Vegas office park, they stopped making payments in March on a $325 million loan. So, people take out huge loans like that. $325 million loan, Las Vegas office park. Blackstone stopped making payments on it. Okay, they own the Manhattan office tower. They have a $160 million loan on that. They bought it in 2014. They stopped making payments on that. So you have the $325 million loan in Las Vegas, then a $160 million loan in Midtown Manhattan. Then they also have a $274 million loan for these hotels that they own in different cities. Hotel called Club Quarter Hotel. Have you ever heard of it? Well, Blackstone owns it. If you've heard of it, $274 million loan. So, as far as that loan goes, a special server took over that loan since June 2020. So, this is what is going on in the real estate industry. Office buildings are. What kind of real estate are you going to get into? And so just think about some of the things that have happened in history and use that to make your decision. So currently, you know that when they start raising interest rates, people are having problems paying their loan back, people having problems refinancing, and that hits the office buildings section. So just think about that if you're in real estate already or you're just getting into real estate. Notice the trends. When the interest rate goes up, the office buildings are in trouble. So just keep that in mind for future purposes as you continue your real estate journey. If you decide to do real estate, um, there are a bunch of different things you can do. Some people just choose to do stock investing um, because they don't like real estate. Everybody doesn't like real estate. Then you have other people who choose to focus in on real estate because of the peace that it provides. It also provides financial freedom, but you have to be in the right sector of real estate. And so you see now the office buildings is having trouble. And then other people choose to do business. They say, I don't like the real estate. Investing is okay. So maybe I'll get into several different businesses and invest on the side. Other people choose to do options trading. Now, options trading is risky if you don't know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing and you're doing options trading, you're going to lose a lot of money. But on the other hand, if you do know what you're doing, then you're going to be making more money than the general population, more money than the entire population, right? In fact, I just talked about that yesterday, that Congress does that. Congress trades options. Um, they do have inside knowledge, which is illegal. It's illegal to be trading if you have inside knowledge. So people choose their different paths. You got your investing, which is for the long term. That builds wealth. You have to be in it for the long term. And it builds wealth. That's a long, slow process, investing. Some people want real estate. Real estate is something I can see. I know it's there. I know people always need a place to live. I know it can provide financial freedom. And maybe I like real estate. Maybe I don't trust this stock market thing. Real estate, I feel like I have more control. So some people choose real estate, especially if they were not affected by what happened in 2008. They don't know anything about 2008. Just know that people will always need a place to live, and they choose the right kind of real estate. There's different kind of real estates that you can get in. Um, they also know it's important not to over leverage. Like you don't just go get a whole bunch of debt. Um, you do leverage, but you leverage according to what is comfortable for you, and you get into the right area of real estate. Um, then you have your people over here. Nah, I don't like the real estate. I'm just going to do multiple businesses. Multiple businesses is my thing. Maybe you want a clothing brand, makeup brand, um, whatever you like. What do you like? Do you like wigs? People like different things. Shoes, high heels, or gym shoes. Well, everybody likes different things. That's why it's so much opportunity out here because everyone is different. Everyone will have a different path. So you have to choose your path. And then most people do a combination of some sort. They are not depending on one thing. Like there's nobody out here that is just depending on one thing. So people know that it's smart to do multiple things just for safety. All right. So just wanted to chime in, let you know what is going on in the real estate industry. Office buildings are in trouble. Blackstone, the big real estate giant, is in trouble. So if you like the show, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you won't miss the episode. Leave a comment, let me know your thoughts, and hit the like button on your way out. Thank you for watching. Have a good rest of your day.